Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete YouTube search and watch history. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your YouTube application. So once you've done that, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right. And here you need to click on settings. And here you need to click on manage all history. And it will take few seconds to load. So here you can see that option to saving your YouTube history. Click on that option, and here you can see that manage history. Click on that option, and from here you can delete. Click on delete and delete all time if you want to delete. So this is the process by which you can delete YouTube history. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.